Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muzayyinatul Hamidia MPD, and I would like to teaching about reading comprehension. For this section, it is about passage for question number 28 up to 29. This text is talking about barter. Barter is a system of exchange by which goods or services are exchanged for other goods or services without using money. The barter system dates back many centuries. In most countries or regions, the barter system has used before money was created. People having specific goods or services to sell would exchange them with others for the things they needed. Barter also replaces money as the system of exchange in times of monetary crisis, such as when the currency may be either unstable or simply unavailable for conducting commerce. Since money varies in value from country to country, bartering is easy to do anywhere in the world. Explorers and pilgrims used the barter system to get the things they needed for their journeys. For instances, explorers exchanged their goods for spices that were not available where they come from. In today's economy, it's sometimes easier to exchange goods or services. What makes the barter system even better today than ever before is that it can now be done globally. In the past, bartering was simply done with those that were located nearby. Nowadays, the barter system can be used in a much more sophisticated way than ever before. However, it carries with it the same basic purpose: exchange of goods or services. The barter system allows someone to negotiate the worth of his or her goods services in connection with the good or services that people want. Bartering allows people to get the things they need without having to expend additional money. Instead, they can use the goods that they are no longer need or want to get the things they do need. There are swap markets and online auctions that allow them to sell or trade their goods or purchase goods that they need or want. Negotiation is done just like it was hundreds of years before. The question of this passage is about the passage mainly discusses blah blah blah. Selling goods, exchanging services, barter system, and modern economy. Reading comprehension on CBT English proficiency test. Commonly, after reading the text, there are several questions about the main idea on other details of a reading implied or explicit with 4 answer choices. We can choose the most appropriate answer. Type of question in reading comprehension about the main idea are: the passage mainly discusses blah blah blah. What is the author primarily concerned with blah blah blah? What is the subject of the passage? What is the text talking about? And what is the topic of the passage? I provided you some vocabularies in English and Indonesia. For instances, exchange, it means penukaran. This word included noun atau kata benda, good, noun kebaikan, kebajikan, goods, termasuk ke dalam noun atau kata benda, barang-barang, harta, sophisticated, adjektif, rumit, barter, kata benda, dagang, tukar menukar, barter trade, perdagangan, tukar menukarkan, and system, susunan. This word included adjective. Okay. For the next, used menggunakan, needed membutuhkan, replaces menempatkan kembali, unstable tidak stabil, unavailable tidak tersedia, goods barang-barang, goods barang, services jasa, money uang, centuries abad, countries negara-negara. The appropriate answer of this text is barter system. The next passage, it is about the energy. In English proficiency test for reading comprehension, commonly we have text in general English. Okay, then I would like to read this text. The energy produced by star radiate into space as electromagnetic radiation and particle radiation. The particle radiation emitted by star as manifested as the stellar wind, which exists as a steady stream of electrically charged particles, such as free proton, alpha particle, and beta particles, emanating from the star's outer layers, and as the steady stream of neutrinos emanating from the star's core. The production of energy at the core is the reason why stars shine so brightly. Every time two or more atomic nuclei of one element fuse together to form an atomic nucleus of a new heavier element, gamma ray photons are released from the nuclear fusion reaction. This energy is converted to other forms of electromagnetic energy, including visible light, by the time it reaches the star outer layers. The question is, the word released in paragraph 2 could best be replaced by discharged, allowed, issued, and stated. This question talking about synonym. And the appropriate answer is discharged. Release and discharged is synonymous. It means menyebarkan atau melepaskan. Commonly, in types of question in reading comprehension, what is the author main argument? What is the topic of the passage? What is the main idea of paragraph 2? What does paragraph 2 tell about? The word barter most likely means blah blah blah. The word they refer to blah blah blah. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.